Children, in previous class, we have discussed types of chemical reactions. This is a new topic, stoichiometry. In stoichiometry, we will discuss mole concept. Before going to that, once recall a classification of matter. Here, matter can be classified into pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances further divided into elements and compounds. Elements and compounds. Element, compound. Please understand the basic difference. Basic difference between element and compound. Here, atom and molecule also. Okay. Once again, recall this. Here, element. Element is composed of atoms or molecules of homotype atoms. Element is composed of atoms. So simply here atom or molecule is the smallest particle of an element. We can illustrate that by taking an example. Look at this here, the sodium atom. Sodium or element, sodium element. What is sodium element? If you take a sodium strip, sodium piece, it composed of sodium atoms. It composed of sodium atoms. This is one sodium atom. This is one sodium atom. This is another sodium atom. So combination of sodium atoms is called sodium element. So sodium element is composed of sodium atoms. Or another example, hydrogen element. Hydrogen is one of the elements among the 118 elements. Hydrogen. If you consider hydrogen element, here these are the smallest particles. Smallest particles. Here, this is a hydrogen molecule. Okay, now in a hydrogen element, hydrogen atom is not the smallest particle. Hydrogen molecule is the smallest particle. So, hydrogen element is composed by hydrogen molecules. Sodium element is composed by sodium atoms. This is element, this is also element. We have two different types of elements. In this type of elements, atoms are the smallest particles. In this type of elements, molecules are the smallest particles. That too, molecules, which type of molecules? Homo type of molecules. Homo type of molecules means H2 molecule, N2 molecule, O2, same type of atoms. Same type of atoms. These are called homo diatomic, means homonuclear molecules. Not diatomic, homonuclear molecules. These two are the elements. Okay. If you consider the compound, what is compound? Compound is composed by molecules. Again, compound also composed by molecules. Here, if you consider water compound, water is compound, combination of two different types of elements. If you consider the water compound, here this is the smallest particle. Here this is a H2O molecule. H2O molecule. So molecule is the smallest particle of compound. But which type of molecule? This is a heterotype of molecule. This is a heterotype. Heterotype of molecule means two different types of atoms. That's why this molecule is called hetero molecule. Different types of atoms. Here, this is also known as compound molecule. Compound molecule. In previous case, hydrogen molecule, hydrogen element. Here this is a H2 molecule. H2 molecule. H2O is the molecule. H2 also molecule. What is the difference between these two? Here this molecule is smallest particle of compound. That's why this molecule is called compound molecule. Here H2 also molecule. This is the molecule smallest particle of element. That's why this type of molecules are called elementary molecules. Elementary molecules. Is it clear now? This is a basic difference. Basic difference between element and compound, atom and molecule further divided into elementary molecule and compound molecule. Is it clear? Okay. Here, in mole concept, here atomic weight. Atomic weight. Atomic weight means if you consider element, for example, sodium element. It composed of what? Sodium atoms. This is one sodium atom. This is one sodium atom. Sodium atom. Combination of sodium atoms is nothing but sodium element. Here atomic weight is weight of one individual atom. Weight of one individual atom. How can we determine atomic weight of an atom means generally, if you want to know the unknown weight, for example, you have a bag. To know that weight of that bag, we need a simple balance. A simple balance means it contains two different plates. In one plate, your weight should be placed. In another plate, here whatever the unknown bag is placed. By putting what? Weights, 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg. If you take that simple balance, here both the plates are balanced by taking 5 kg, 5 kg stones. Here these two are balanced. Then unknown weight is how much? 5 kg. Okay. In this simple balance, what is the arbitrary standard? What is the reference weight? 1 kg. Similarly, here atoms and molecules are smallest particles, invisible particles, microparticles. To know the weight of microparticle, here there is some reference unit, arbitrary standard is there. Reference unit. The reference unit is AMU. Reference unit is what? AMU. Atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. Here, this is also represented as U. Unified mass. Atomic mass unit or unified mass. Here, this is also known as Dalton. This is also known as Avogram. Avogram. AMU also known as Dalton or Avogram. Okay, what is AMU? Which weight is taken as AMU means AMU is 1 by 12th part. 1 by 12th part. 1 by 12th part of mass of one atom, one carbon atom, C12 isotope. C12 isotope. For example, here this is a weight of one carbon atom. One C12 atom. If you consider one atom of C12 isotope, this is the mass. If you divide this into 12 parts, here this part is considered as AMU. This part is considered as AMU. Here, for example, the total mass of carbon atom is equal to 1.992 into 10 to the power minus 23 grams. This is a mass of one atom of carbon. Then this 12th part is how much? 12th part means what? Here the value, whatever the mass of the carbon atom, one carbon atom divided by 12. That is nothing but AMU. AMU is equal to 1 by 12th part of total mass of one atom of C12 isotope. The value is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. So this is called AMU. This weight or this value is taken for the comparison relative mass of atom. That weight is called relative atomic weight. Now come to the point. Here atomic weight, how can we define this relative atomic weight? That is defined as, here we have one atom of sodium. One atom of sodium. This is a sodium atom. If you want to know the atomic weight of sodium, atomic weight of the sodium, here this is a simple balance. Simple balance. Here sodium atom is taken. Here in this weights placed. Weights placed. Just like 1 kg, 2 kg. Here what is the reference unit here? AMU. Reference unit AMU. Okay. Here 1 AMU is placed. Not balanced. 2 AMU. 3 AMU. Not balanced. By placing 23 AMU. Here these two balanced. Then how can we understand the weight of this sodium? By placing 23 AMU, these two plates are balanced. Here atomic weight of sodium is equal to 23 AMU. 23 AMU. Then how can we define this atomic weight? Look at the definition. Atomic weight of sodium is weight of the sodium. The weight of the sodium, which is how many times heavier than AMU. Heavier than AMU. AMU is what? 1 by 12th part of C12 isotope. 1 by 12th part of mass of an atom of C12 isotope. AMU. For example, here my weight is 70 kg. What is the meaning? I am 70 times heavier than 1 kg. Okay, now. Similarly, here 23 AMU means what? One sodium atom is 23 times heavier than AMU. That is the meaning. 23 times heavier than AMU. That is atomic weight. Here, relative atomic mass means here 23 times heavier than AMU means relative atomic mass is 23. Relative atomic mass has no units. Okay, now. Here atomic weight or relative atomic weight. Relative atomic weight. Relative atomic weight means what? Comparison. Comparison. Comparison with whom? Comparison with what? AMU. Comparison of AMU. So mass of one atom of any element which is heavier than, which is how many times heavier than? Which is how many times heavier than 1 AMU or 1 by 12th part of C12 isotope. How many times heavier means we are comparing what? Comparing AMU. We are giving a ratio. That's why there is no relative atomic mass or atomic weight has no units. Simply, here atomic weight of oxygen is 16. Relative atomic mass of oxygen is 16 or 16 AMU. Here, if you consider actual mass number, actual weight of oxygen atom is equal to, their actual weight means it has a unit number, that is what, grams. Units are grams. Actual atomic mass is equal to 16 into, we already discussed now, AMU value. That is what, 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. Here, this is called actual weight of oxygen atom. Is it clear, Nana? Okay, that is atomic weight and relative atomic weight. Relative atomic weight. Here, atomic weight of nitrogen is equal to 14 AMU. Relative atomic weight of nitrogen is equal to 14. Their actual atomic weight of nitrogen atom is equal to 14 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. Is it clear? Atomic weight of nitrogen 14 AMU. Relative atomic weight of nitrogen 14. Their actual atomic weight of nitrogen 14 into AMU value. Actual mass means you should consider that in grams. Here 14 AMU contain 14 AMU. Understand the three statements. Here 14 AMU contain one atom of nitrogen. One atom of nitrogen. Here 14 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams contain one atom of nitrogen. Is it clear? The 14 AMU contain one atom. AMU is nothing but what? 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 20. These many grams contain one nitrogen atom, or one nitrogen atom mass is this much. Is it clear? Similarly, gram atomic weight. Look at the word gram atomic weight. Gram atomic weight. Gram atomic weight means the atomic weight expressed in grams. Whatever the atomic weight expressed in grams. In previous case, we discussed nitrogen atomic weight. How much? Relative atomic mass? 14. Relative atomic mass 14. Similarly, nitrogen gram atomic weight. Nitrogen gram atomic weight is 14 grams. So simply atomic weight expressed in grams, that is nothing but gram atomic weight. Here, look at this atomic weight. Here, this is 14 AMU. 14 AMU. Here, 14 AMU contain one atom. 14 AMU contain one atom. Now, 14 grams contain how many atoms? 14 grams. Look at this. Here, gram atomic weight is atomic weight expressed in grams, and we can define in another way. Here, gram atomic weight is weight of 6.02 into to the power 23 atoms. Gram atomic weight is what? Weight of these many atoms here. This is nothing but here Avogadro number, or it is also considered as a mole, just like simple unit number. Here AMU is what? Atomic mass unit. Similarly, here mole is one unit, just like here 1 dozen banana. Dozen is what? One unit, one quantity. Similarly, here 1 mole. Mole is what? One quantity. Here mole represents these many numbers. Avogadro number of entities, species, that may be atoms or molecules or ions. Here whatever that is. Here a marker is there. Here 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 markers means what? 1 mole markers. 1 dozen markers means 12 markers. 1 mole markers means 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 markers. Simply, this is one quantity. Whatever the substances expressed in terms of mole means that is one number. That is Avogadro number 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. So simply, gram atomic weight is what? Gram atomic weight is weight of 1 mole atoms. Here, 1 nitrogen atom mass is equal to 14 AMU. Here, 1 mole nitrogen atoms mass is equal to 14 grams. Is it clear? 1 nitrogen atom mass is 14 AMU. 1 mole nitrogen atom's mass is 14 grams. Here, this is atomic weight, and this is gram atomic weight. Atomic weight contain 1 atom. Gram atomic weight contain 1 mole atoms. Is it clear?